for an easy option to edit videos on your Mac? Maybe you have a recital or a soccer game that needs some shortening up so you can actually enjoy the good parts from it. Whether you have a 2-minute video or a 90-minute video, your Mac has something that's going to help you get the job done. Hi, I'm Mollie Bartelt, a photo estate planner and the owner of Pixologie. We are your go-to experts in evaluating photo saving apps, software, and tools. We also provide motivation and inspiration to keep you going on saving your memories, from videos and photos to memorabilia. It's all important, and boy, it's a journey as you get it all preserved. If you need help, definitely hit the subscribe because we're uploading new videos routinely that might help you on your path. Often our clients need help with editing videos. You probably have some videos that could use some editing as well. So do I. Last month, my family participated in a church talent show and we were in 3 of the acts. That 97-minute video I obtained from the church's Facebook feed, and I need to edit some parts out of it. So it's a great opportunity to show you how to do this fast on your Mac. The solution is QuickTime, and it's been around since 1991. Can you believe that? That's like over 30 years. QuickTime is great for short, quick projects like cutting up videos, deleting scenes you don't want. Maybe you just want the audio from a video. QuickTime is a great solution to do these things fast. For some time, QuickTime was available for PC users, but that ended in 2016, unfortunately. If you're a PC user looking for a solution, click the link up above, and I have a tutorial on editing movies with the Windows Photos app. Now, back to QuickTime. It is a very simple program, and it's really meant for quick edits, right? It's called QuickTime. But if you're looking for something more robust to add titles and transitions, you're going to want to stick around to the end where I share the other solution on your Mac that can help you with this if you don't know already. Let's get going on cutting up my family's parts from that talent show. Now, to open QuickTime, it's really easy. As I go to my desktop here, you're going to see in the right corner here, I have Church Facebook Recording. You just double-click your video to open up QuickTime. All right. Now, you'll notice this isn't the best quality because it was downloaded from Facebook. Okay, so QuickTime is now open. The first step is to cut that video up. This is called splitting clips, okay? Split clips. And you're going to want to find where you want to split the clip first by using this little dragging the white bar. And I know that I want to go to 54 minutes, just about, which is where I end. And I have my stopping point right there because I checked this out ahead of time. I go to the Edit tab and then I scroll down to Split Clip, all right? And then I click it. Now I have 2 clips here, if you can see that. The first clip and then the second clip, which is the end, all right? I'm gonna drag that little red bar now, and you can see that's me on the stage, and I need to just go back to the beginning of it. There we are. So I'm gonna split clip again. I'm going to the Edit tab and Split Clip. I want you to notice that there is that Command and Y. Those are the quick keys to do it, okay? To split your clip without going to the Edit tab, you can hit Command Y on your keyboard. All right, so I know I have two sections that need to be deleted, which leads me to step number 2, delete the clips you don't want. All right, so the third one here, I'm gonna hit delete, and the first one here, I'm gonna hit delete. So now I'm left with just the recording of myself, which my routine was a stand-up comedy routine. Mostly I wanted to practice public speaking, and that's a really challenging way to do it. Well, anyway, I've got my clip where I want it. That leads us to step 3. We want to save the clip. So you can go to the File tab and click Save. You also could go to Export As if you wanted more options like exporting the audio only. All right, so you can choose to save it or export it. We're going to just click Save because this isn't anything fancy, and because it was a low quality video, I don't really have any higher option choices. So this is Mollie's part. All right, and save. And it saves it right to the desktop over here. So I've got it real handy. Now I'm going to close it. That leads me to step 4, which is sharing it. On a Mac, when you click the file you want to share, you can control click, which gets you a menu of options, and go to share. From there you can email it, you can message it, you could airdrop it, you can even add it to your Photos app. The other thing that you probably want to do is back the video up. Someday I'll tell you my horror story of lost videos, but for now, make sure you're backing it up. If it goes into Photos in your Photos app, then it's most likely being backed up in iCloud. And you might also have Time Machine on your Mac, which allows you to back up your entire contents of your computer to an external hard drive. All right, do you have a question I didn't answer? Because if you do, please leave it in the comments below. I definitely want to be sure to answer the questions you were hoping to learn from this video. And someone else might post an answer that will be helpful to you as well. Now, I mentioned that there is a more robust program on your computer, on your Mac, if you want to add titles and combine clips and put transitions in. There's so much more you can do if you use the iMovie program. And if you want a tutorial on that, I've got a link up above as well. That is it. Mac users are so fortunate to have an easy option to edit their videos like this. I hope this was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up, and we will see you the next time.